Welcome to Industrial Instrumentation EEE tutorials, and today we have come with very special topic, which is gas detection technology. So here we have come with 5-day crash course where we will talk about all the gas detection related topics which generally ask in any interview if you are going for any interview, as well as if you are experienced person and you are working in a refinery and oil gas sector, then also this course will be very useful. In this video we will only talk about what we will have in 5-day course, means each day what we will cover. So now let us start. So in a first day course, we will talk about some introduction of gas hazards in refineries, where we will talk about why gas detection are required and common hazardous gases in refinery like hydrocarbon, H2S, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, ammonia and oxygen, and there are some others also we will cover here. And also gas properties overview, like what is toxicity and what is flammability and what is LEL, TWSTL. We will talk about in details these terms. Okay, now we will also talk about sources of gas leaks and how it happens, and also we will talk about some safety standard like OSHA, ACGIH, NFPA, API. There are so many. Now, this is the second day agenda where we will talk about the gas detection principle and technologies. So, where we will all talk about types of gas detectors, and these are the some technology which are currently available in for designing the gas detector. Now the third one is key detector component. What are the component of detector we will also cover, and what is the sensor cross sensitivity, which will also very important for designing, for selecting any gas detection technology. So this is also very important. And we will also talk about interesting safety and ATEX certification, which is also very important when you are working in any area where some combustible or some flammability material is available which can ignite the whole material. So this is also we will cover in the day 2 course. Now the third day we will cover calibration of the gas detector, where we will talk about the understanding some basic interface related, like what is display icons, gas reading units, ppm, percent, LEL, and there are so many. We will also talk about what is the daily bump test and the calibration test. This is also very important in our refinery and our oil gas sector. We will talk about in a calibration stuff, how to zero the value, how to span calibration, what is auto calibration. We will talk about in a third steps. Now the fourth topic, battery checks, filter replacement, sensor life. These are the some which we generally do in our maintenance of the gas detector. Now fifth one is we will also cover some common error which are generally comes when we install any detector in field. So these are the 5 points we will cover in a date 3. Now this is the day 4 agenda, where we will talk about the alarm setting, data logging, and safety response. So this is very important when your field data is going to the control room, where we have to see what are the alarm side, low alarm, high alarms, and these are the also alarms. And there are some user defined alarm set point also given. So it should be in a refinery or oil and gas sector policy. And also we will talk about the action upon alarms, what we have to do, evacuation and gas source identification and emergency shutdown. There are so many action which may be you found in your oil and gas sector policy or your refinery and your plant related policy. And there are features where how to log the data, and this will be also very useful for you, how to download and repeat log data, USB, Bluetooth, and docking station method. There are so many we will cover in another day 4. Fifth, where we will take some leak incident response and how it happens and what they have done for this gas leak related incident. And the sixth one, we will also talk about the integration with the SCADA and DCS. This will be also done. This is a common, and we will talk about how to integrate the DCS and SCADA. This is of the final and the day 5 troubleshooting best practice and final some question. We will also have some question what we have covered in our day 1 to day 5. So the first we will talk about some cobalt troubleshooting scenarios. The second one we will also talk about some best practices, how to gas detector placement, pre-entry checks, daily maintenance routine. There are so many best practices we will cover here. Third, we will talk about the field tips from refinery expert, where we will talk about the hydrocarbon acid detection during startup or shutdowns, and also confined space also entry, how to we check the gas, and our 10 multiple questions also we will have, where we will check what we have studied, what we have learned in our day 1 to day 5. And there are some call to action: practice with your